Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kundai Karen Mangena and I'm back again with another video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this tie and dye t-shirt, and that's just about it. So what you're going to need for this video is your scissors, your t-shirt, your thread, your hot water. Okay, so you need to pre-boil hot water, your dye, of course, your cold water, your pot, and a bowl. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Rams the dye, and it's in the color royal blue, so that's the one I'm going to be working with in this video. So I'm just going to remove it out of its box just to show you guys how it looks like. So it comes wrapped out like this. So this is the thread that I'm using and the bowl. So this is an already tied t-shirt, and I'm going to show you the other that's not tied. So this is another easy dye, which is Series Pink. I'm not using it in this tutorial, but I'm just showing you guys so you guys get a hang of it. So for starters, what you're going to start by doing is to get your bowl. Then you pour your dye into it, because this dye is powdered, so you pre-make it. So yeah, so these t-shirts are quite cool and trendy, and from the on look of it, they really came out nice. So after pouring it onto your bowl, what you're going to do is to take your water. So you just need about 3 tablespoons of water, 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, and just mix and create a paste. Okay, so this is just to get it to be slightly damp, wet, and create a paste. So this is how the paste looks like. Oh my goodness, looks like. So now that I'm done, I'm going to add hot water, about 500 milliliters of hot water. So that's what I'm going to be pouring inside there. Don't put too much water. At the same time, it shouldn't be too little because it's going to be too dark, but don't put too much. So you'd rather have less water than more water. So put 500 milliliters of hot water. Make sure that it's hot, and then stir it up. So make sure you stir so that you look at the consistency, and the consistency is just so perfect. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how to prep the t-shirt in order to put it inside the dye. So I'm just going to go ahead and dampen the t-shirt, just make it wet. Normally you're supposed to use a pre-washed t-shirt, but because this is me and I love to break the rules a little bit, I'm just gonna go ahead and just dampen it and dye it while it's wet. So this is how I just fold the t-shirt. You guys will follow along, and then I fold it twice, then I fold it again. So now this is where the thread goes in. I'm just going to tie the thread right round. Just make sure it's very, very tight. So I'm just going to continuously tie this. So this is my mom tying. I think you guys can see that we're alternating. One time it's me, one time it's my mom. So yeah, now that it's done, I'm just going to create a note. Alright, so that was my mom breaking about her nails. Anywho, if you are in Bulawayo and you need to get your nails done, do visit Shami's Nail Boutique. Her nails are quite good, strong, and just amazing. She's just the blog. So now that I'm done, I'm going to just dip the t-shirt into the dye. Alright, so just going to dip this one into it, like make sure that the dye really, you know, it's really saturated. So on my pot, I'm just going to put in some salt. That's about 4 tablespoons of salt. I didn't measure, but hey, that's just about it. So I'm going to put in cold water and just make sure I mix it there, just to make sure that it's concentrated. So my mom just put the other t-shirt onto it. So now I'm going ahead to just put it inside the salt water. This is so that the dye sticks to the fabric and it doesn't come out. So once you do this for a long time, the dye will get stuck. So now this is done. We're just taking out from the salt water. So you leave it on the salt water for about 30 minutes to an hour, but you can do less if you want to. We did just for an hour. So now what we're going to do is to remove the thread and just unravel the t-shirt, and this is what it looks like. This is the first t-shirt. This is what it looks like. I love it, love it, love it. I love how the color came out. I'm gonna post the pictures of how the t-shirt came out on my next video as I show you how to tie and dye, how to mix 2 dyes to get a nice consistency. Right, so this is the second t-shirt. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how it came out. Trust me, you will love the second t-shirt. And yeah, so I love the color blue. It really came out nice. Like, this would be nice if you support Man City. You know, I don't support Man City though. I'm a Man United girl. But yeah, the second t-shirt came out really lovely. I love how the white is popping out, you know. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you watched till the end of this video. And today's scripture is trust in the Lord with all your heart and all your mind and with all your soul.